To perform a firmware update, press the SYS button on your remote control. If you want to carry out a firmware update for an MP8, please press the gear symbol on your remote control. The system configuration menu appears. Scroll down to the menu item Device Info. You navigate through the menu using the navigation buttons on your remote control. The control elements can vary depending on the T+A device you are operating. Information about this can be found in your operating manual. Confirm the menu item with OK. Now select Web and start the firmware update. Please note that the menu items Web and Start Web Update must be confirmed twice with the OK key. The firmware update may take a few minutes to complete. This depends, among other things, on the speed of the internet connection. You will find many useful tips for everyday use in the operating manual of your T+A device. Once the firmware update is complete, you can operate your T+A device as usual. Detailed information on the firmware updates for the various T+A devices can be found in the support area on our website ta-hifi.com.